Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video.
Hello and welcome to another episode of 612 Motorsports. My name is Sean, and today we're going to be replacing the upper radiator hose on a 95 Chevy S-10. Let's just get right to it. Now, this radiator hose goes from the thermostat housing, comes around here into the top of the radiator. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to see it so well, probably not, but right here, it's starting to fray, and I just don't want to be stuck on the side of the road with a blown hose. Alright, so we got those two simple little hose clamps loosened up. We're going to pry that one off, and I'll show you, give you a better look at what that frayed end looks like. Now, as you can see, there'd be the culprit. I do believe whoever put this hose on might have over-tightened that clamp a little to give it that kind of tear, but it was looking like she was about ready to blow through, so out with the old and in with the new. Well, that was simple enough. We got that bolted down. As you can see, there is a little bit of antifreeze that came out and is sitting up here on the intake, and a little that dripped down below here. We're just gonna rinse that off quick. We're gonna top off the tank here with a little bit of antifreeze. Now this was just a little bit low on antifreeze before I started. That hole in the old hose was weeping just a little bit, so it's best to top her off. I'm probably gonna have to check it again tomorrow after I drive it a little bit and let things let the thermostat open and let things move around in there a little bit, and then we'll see where we're at. Alright, we got that little problem taken care of. Things look a little better. I feel better about it. I just did not want to be stranded on the side of the road with a blown radiator hose and not happen to have one, and that whole kind of BS. So I just took care of it now that it's winter time as well. Extra reason not to be stuck on the road. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment below. If there's something you would like to know, have a question on anything S-10 related, I'll try to do my best to answer that for you. But until next time, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.